Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Tips again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Discover credit card account online from your PC. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your Discover credit card account from your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in discover.com and hit enter, or you can simply search for Discover credit card login like and hit enter. And on the first there is the portal discover.com, which is the credit card login site of discover.com itself, and this is the direct login page of Discover, whereas on the first tab we are on the home page of the Discover itself. Now to log into your Discover credit card, you can also log into your Discover credit card account from over here, or you can just click on login on the top right corner. You can, and this kind of interface will appear, which is identical to this one, and both ways you'll be logging into your same account, because you can choose over here either to log into your bank, student loans, personal accounts, and you're choosing credit card over here, and it's your user ID and your password which you had registered on Discover Bank at the time of creation of your account, and click on login to sign into your Discover Bank account from over here. Same with over here, but this is the direct credit card login portal with a different site. And with that being said, if you have forgotten the user ID or password, you may click over here which says the forgot user ID / password to retrieve user ID or password depending upon which one you lost. Or if you have not yet activated your credit card, simply click on activate credit card to go through a procedure to activate your Discover credit card. Or if you have not yet created an account on Discover, simply click on register your account to go through a procedure to create an account on Discover. And guys, this is how you log into your Discover credit card account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching guys. Peace.